Good morning. My name is Komal from BSc Final Year Chemistry Honors. I am reading chapters Drugs for Visual Impaired Students. Let's start. Drugs are chemicals of low molecular mass. They interact with macromolecular targets and produce a biological response. When the biological response is therapeutic and useful, these chemicals are called medicine and are used in prevent and treatment of disease. Most of drugs used as medicine are potential poison. If taken in dose higher than those recommended, use of chemical for therapeutic effect is called chemotherapy. Now, classification of drugs. Drugs can be classified mainly on criteria outlined as follows. On the basis of pharmacology effect. This classification is based on pharmacological effect of the drugs. It is useful for doctors because it provides them the whole range of drugs available for the treatment of a particular type of problem. For example, analgesics have a painkiller effect, antiseptic kill or arrest the growth of microorganisms. On the basis of drug action, it is based on the action of a drug on a particular biochemical process. For example, all antihistamine inhibit the action of compound histamines which causes inflammation in the body. There are various ways in which action of a histamine can be blocked. You will learn about on the basic of chemical structure. It is about on the chemical structure of a drugs. Drugs classify in the way share common structural feature and often have a similar pharmacological activity. For example, sulfonamide have common structural feature of sulfonamide. On the basis of molecular target, drugs usually interact with biomolecules such as carbohydrate, lipids, protein, and nucleic acid. These are called target molecule or drug target. Drugs possessing some common structural feature may be the same mechanism of action on target. The classification based on molecular target is the most useful classification for medicinal chemists. Drug target interaction macromolecular of a biological origin perform various function in the body. For example, protein which perform the role of biological catalyst in the body are called enzymes. Those which are crucial of communication system in the body are called receptor. Carry proteins carry polar molecules across the cell membrane. Nucleic acid codes genetic information for the cell. Lipids and carbohydrates structural part of the cell membrane. We shall explain the drug target interaction with the example of enzyme and receptor. Enzyme and drug target catalytic action of enzyme. For understanding the interaction between a drugs and enzyme, it is important to know how to enzyme catalyze the reaction. Into their catalytic activity, enzyme perform two major functions. The first function of enzyme is to hold the substrate for a chemical reaction. Active site of enzyme hold the substrate molecule in a suitable position so that it can be attacked by the reagent if effectively. Substrate bind to the active site of the enzyme through a variety of interactions such as ionic bonding, hydrogen bonding, van der Waals interaction of dipole interaction. The second function of enzyme is to provide functional group that will attack the substrate and carry out the chemical reaction. Drug enzyme interaction. Drug inhibit any the above mentioned activation of the enzyme. These can block the binding site of enzyme and prevent the hiding of substrate or can inhibit the catalytic activity of the enzyme. Such drugs are called enzyme inhibitors. Drugs inhibit the attachment of substrate on the active site of enzyme in two different ways. Drugs compete with the natural substrate for their attention on the active site of enzyme. Such drugs are called competitive inhibitor. Active site attached with enzyme. then form drugs active. Second, some drugs do not bind to the enzyme active site. These bind to a different site of enzyme which is called allosteric site. This binding of inhibitor of allosteric site the shape of active site such a way that separate cannot recognize it. If the bond formation between an enzyme and inhibitors is strong covalent bond and cannot be broken easily, then the enzyme is blocked permanently. The body then degrades the enzyme inhibitor complex and synthesizes the new enzyme. Receptor and drug target. Receptors are proteins that are crucial to body communication process. Majority of these are embedded in cell membranes. Receptor proteins are embedded in the cell membranes in such a way that their small part possesses active site project out of the surface of the membrane and open on the outside regions of the membranes. Outer side of cell membrane, binding site of a membranes. In the body, message between two neurons and between neurons to muscles is communicated through certain chemicals. These chemicals, known as chemical messenger, are received at the binding site of receptor proton to accumulate. A messenger shape of a receptor site changes the bridge. This brings about the transfer of message into the cell. Thus, chemical messenger give message to the cell without entering the cell. There are a large number of different receptors in the body that interact with different chemical messengers. These receptors show selective for one chemical messenger over the other because their binding site have different shape, structure, and amino acid composition. Drugs that bind to a receptor site and inhibit its natural function called antagonist. These are useful when blocking of message is required. There are other type of drugs that mimic the natural messenger by switching on the receptor. These are called agonists. These are useful when they have a lack of natural chemical messenger. Therapeutic action of different classes of drugs. In this section, we shall discuss the therapeutic action of a few important classes of drugs. Anesthetic. Over production of acid in the stomach causes irritation and pain. In some cases, ulcer and developer in the stomach. Only treatment of acidity was administration of anesthetic, such as sodium hydrocarbonate or a mixture of aluminium and magnesium hydroxide. However, excessive hydrocarbonate can make the stomach alkaline and trigger the produce of even more acid. Methyl hydroxide are better alternative because the being insoluble. Those do not the pH above neutralizes. The treatment control our symptoms and not the capsule. Therefore, with these metal salts, the patient cannot be treated easily in advanced stage ulcer because life-threatening and it only treatment is removal of the affected part of stomach. A major breakthrough in the treatment of a hyperacidity came through the discovery according to which a chemical histamine stimulates the section of a person's pepsin and hydrochloric acid in the stomach. The drugs cimetidine was designed to prevent the interaction of a histamine with the receptor present in the stomach wall. This resulted in release to lesser amount of acid. The importance of a drug was so much that it remained the largest selling drug in the world until another drug, NICE, was discovered. Ranitidine, Zetex, was discovered. Histamine structure and retinine. अब है antihistamine. Histamine is a potent vasodilator. It has a various function. It contracts the smooth muscles in the boosting gut relax other muscles, such as a dose in the wall of a fine blood vessel. Histamine is also responsible for nasal cogas associated with communication allergy response to pollen. Synthetic drugs, bromochlorine, dimetap, and terfenadine, act as antihistamine. They interfere with the natural action of the histamine by compete with the histamine for binding site of receptor where histamine exerts its effect. Now the question, so what arises why he mentioned antihistamine not affect the secretion of acid stomach. The reason of the anti-allergic and anti-acid drugs work on different receptors. Neurological active drug tranquilizer. Tranquilizer and analgesics are neurological active drugs. These affect the message transfer mechanism from nervous to receptor. Tranquilizers are a class of chemical compounds used for the treatment of stress and mild or even severe mental disease. These relieve the anxiety, stress, irritability, or excitement of including edge of well-being. They form an essential compound of sleeping pills. There are various types of tranquilizers. They function by different mechanisms. For example, noradrenaline, noradrenaline, noradrenaline is one of the neurotransmitters that play a role in mood change. If the level of a noradrenaline is low for some reason, then the single sending activity become low and the person suffer from depression. In such a situation, antidepressant drugs are required. This drug inhibit the enzyme which catalyzes the degradation of a noradrenaline. If the enzyme is inhibited, this important neurotransmitter is slowly metabolism and can activate the receptor for longer period of time, thus counterating the effect of depression. Ibrodilol and phenylzine are two such drugs. Some tranquilizers, namely chlorothiazole and meropheniate, are relatively mild tranquilizers suitable for relieving tension. Equinil is used in controlling depression and hypertension. Ipronidols, phenylzine, nardil, meropheniate, derivative of a barbituric acid, veronal, amytal, nimbutal, luminal, and second constitute an important class of tranquilizer. These derivatives are called barbiturate. Barbiturates are hypotonic clip produce agents. Some other substances used as tranquilizer are Valium and serotonin. Analgesics. Analgesics reduce or abolish pain without causing impairment of concentration, mental confusion, incoordination, or paralysis, or some other disturbance of nerve system. These are classified for non-narcotic, non-addictive analgesics and narcotic drugs. Non-narcotic analgesics. Aspirin and paracetamol being to be class of non-narcotic analgesics. Aspirin is the most familiar example. Aspirin inhibitor of a chemical known as prostaglandins, which stimulate inflammation in the tissue and cause pain. These drugs are effective in relieving skeletal pain, such as that due to active. These drugs have many other effects, such as reducing fever and preventing painful coagulation because of its anti-blood clotting agent. Aspirin find used in prevention of heart attack. Narcotic analgesics. Morphine and many of its homologous when administered in medical dose relieve pain and produce sleep. In poison dose, these produce super, coma, convulsive and ultimately death. Morphine narcotics are sometimes referred to as opiates since they are obtained from the opium poppy. These analgesics are chiefly used for the relief of postoperative pain, cardiac pain, and pain of terminal cancer and in childbirth. Is the sector of heroin, codeine, now antimicrobial. Disease in human being and animals may be caused by a variety of microorganisms such as bacteria, virus, fungi, and other pathogens. And the antimicrobial tend to destroy the development of inhibit the pathogenic action of a microbe such as bacteria, fungi, virus, other parasitic, effectively antibiotic, antiseptic, and disinfectant and antimicrobial drugs. Antibiotic. Antibiotics are used as drugs to treat infection because of toxicity of humans and animals. Initially, antibiotics were classified as chemical substances produced by microorganisms that inhibit the growth of even destroy microorganisms. The development of a synthetic method has helped in synthesis of some of the compounds that were originally discovered as products of microorganisms. Also, some purely synthetic compounds antibacterial activity, and therefore definition of antibiotic modify an antibiotic now refer to a substance produced fully or partly by chemical synthesis which is low concentration inhibit the growth or destroy microorganism by intervention in their metabolic process. The search for chemical that would adversely affect invading bacteria but not the host began in the 19th century. Fuel, a German bacteriologist, convinced that idea he investigated arsenic-based structure in order to produce less toxic substance for the terminate of a simple. He developed the medicine asphenamine known as salvarsan. Paul Ehrlich got Nobel Prize for the 1918 for discovery. It was the first effective treatment discovered for simples. Although salvarsan is toxic to human beings, its effect on bacteria, parasites, which causes simples in much greater than on human being. At the same time, it will working on the azodie also. We note that there is similarly in structure of silver sun and azodide. The AS linked present in asphenamine resemble the N linkage present in azodide in the sense that arsenic atom is present in place of nitrogen. He also noted tissue get colored by dye selectively. Therefore, it began to search for the compound which resemble in structure to azodide and selectively bind to bacteria. He suggested in preparing the first effective antibacterial agent, hostile which resemble in structure to the compound several soon. It was discovered that in the body narcotic is converted to a compound called sulfanilamide. Thus, sulfa drugs were discovered. A large range of sulfonamide analgesics was synthesized. One of the most effective in sulfide. Despite the success of sulfonamide, the real revolution in antibacterial therapy began with the discovery of Alexander Fleming in 1929 of the antibacterial property of a penicillium fungus. isolation and purification of active compound to accumulate sufficient material for cleaning trials took 13 years. Antibiotics have either killing effect on a static inhibitory effect on microbes. For example, of two types of antibiotic are bactericidal, bactericidal, penicillin, tetracycline. The range of bacteria or other microorganisms that are affected by a certain antibiotic is expressed as in spectrum of action. Antibiotics which kill or inhibit a wide range of germ-positive and germ-negative bacteria are said to be broad-spectrum antibiotics. Those effective mainly against the gram-positive and gram-negative bacteria are narrow-spectrum antibiotic. If effective against a single organism or disease, they are referred as limited-spectrum antibiotic. Penicillin G has a narrow spectrum, ampicillin has and amoxicillin are synthetic modification of penicillin. These have broad spectrum. It is a absolutely test the patient for sensitivity to penicillin before it is administered of in India. Penicillin is manufactured at the Hindustan Antibiotic in Pimpert and in private sector industry. Chloramphenicol, isolated in 1947, is a broad-spectrum antibiotic. It is rapidly absorbed from the gastrointestinal tract and hence can be given orally in case of typhoid, dysentery, acute fever, curtain from the urinary infection, and ofloxacin are the other important broad spectrum. The antibiotic doxycycline is supposed to be toxic toward certain strain of cancer cells. Structure of chloramphenicol and penicillin. Antiseptic and disinfectant. Antiseptic and disinfectant are also the chemicals which either kill or prevent the growth of microorganisms. Antiseptics are applied to the living tissue such as wound, cut, ulcer and diseased skin surface. Examples are ferrocin, soframycin, etc. These are not industrial-like antibiotics. Commonly used antiseptic Dettol in a mixture of a cloxazine and terphenol. Butanol, the compound is also called butanol. Added to a import antiseptic iodine is a powerful antiseptic. A 2 or 3% solution in alcohol water mixture is known as tincture of iodine. It is applied on wound. Either form is also used as antiseptic for wound. Boric acid in dilute aqueous solution is weak antiseptic for eyes. Disinfectants are applied to inanimate objects such as draining system, instrument, etc. Same substance can act as an antiseptic as well as a disinfectant by various concentration. For example, 0.2% solution of phenol is an antiseptic while its 1% solution is disinfectant. Chlorine is the concentration of 0.2 to 0.4 ppm is aqueous solution and sulfur dioxide is very low concentration are disinfectant. Anti-fertility drugs. Antibiotic revolution has provided long and healthy life for people's expectancy has almost doubled. The increased population has caused many social problems in terms of food resource, environmental issue, employment, etc. To control this problem, population is required to be controlled. This has led to concept of family planning. Anti-fertility drugs are used in the direction birth control pills, essential control, a mixture of synthetic estrogen and progesterone derivatives. It is known as the progesterone suppressed ovulation. Synthetic progesterone derivatives are more potent than progesterone. Northrone is the example of synthesis progesterone derivative most widely used as anti-fertility drugs. The estrogen derivative, which is used in combination with progesterone derivative, is novestrol. Thank you.